Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a follow-up for Bitcoin for what happened, of course, in the last hour, and of course what we could expect for the next hours as well. Well, as you know, we are Friday and we're very close for the weekend and of course for the range of the weekend. Now, of course, we have seen today a move towards the upside, which it was expected, as we said in the latest video. Be careful if we don't break, of course, these fib levels. We might be, of course, in possible 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5 possibly, or another scenario where we could have here an A, B, and a C, because this, of course, looks like kind of an impulse. I know, very choppy, but I mean, it's one leg. There is no other explanation than being an impulse here, meaning that it can be, of course, a zigzag toward the upside. Now, very possible as well to get maybe one more leg, of course, to finish here as an impulse as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very possible to hit the 1-to-1 fib level at 96,276. Now, in that case scenario, I would say, of course, I mean, it's not really clear if this, on the 15-minute chart here we are, it's not very clear if this is an impulse or not. However, if in case, of course, we are looking for higher prices, I would say that is, several scenarios that we saw in the morning analysis. If you remember, we have a scenario where we have an A, B, and a C. Your wave C has to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Remember, this zigzag might be your wave 3 in this contracting diagonal for a wave C in A, B, and a C, hitting at least the 1-to-1 fib level, or even, let's say, the 0.38 fib level at 90,000, if you remember, on that daily analysis. And a second scenario can be, of course, that we have topped here and we're finishing a zigzag. Right now, the zigzag should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, this wave 1 is very extended. Therefore, it opens for us for a bigger scenario, which is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5. Looking at this, of course, a wave right now as a wave 2, we can say that this is very possible that we have, of course, a wave 2 here scenario where we have these fib levels taken from here as a wave 2. You would like to see, of course, at least the 0.38 fib level hit. And this is exactly what happened, and we saw a retracement from it. So yeah, possibly even one more wave down up, of course, can finish this zigzag as a wave 2, and then continuation toward the downside. Now, I would say, of course, it is very rare in weekend to get an impulse toward the downside. So yeah, I think we might range even maybe a little bit more for a wave 2 and during the weekend, and then start to prepare for another 1, 2, and then moving on Monday again with a bearish scenario, probably, of course. And maybe, I don't know, this weekend might be different. We might see an impulse toward the downside because sometimes it happens, but it's very rare. So this is it for Bitcoin. And on the KGT, if we can see here on the 5 minutes, we can see, of course, that we have some bearish signals here, but those are the weakest. So if we take the strongest here we go. Yes, so we can see that a new bearish signal with this top here has appeared, converging with the bearish signal on the CVD line. Therefore, it's a strong bearish signal, while we have here, of course, a buy signal, but this might be, of course, it might be a buy signal, of course, as you can see, but the divergence are not really diverging with the price action. So there is no divergence here. If the signals here, KGT, tell us the bearish still has the lead, and for the accumulations here for between buyers and sellers, we can see 3 bars of sellers in this area where we have started to see some sellers accumulations. So that was it for Bitcoin. I think that the scenarios are still the same. Of course, we saw a retracement that was corrective probably, and then we might continue soon or later toward the downside. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you tomorrow in the deep analysis and of course the dominance and the indicator analysis. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.